Good afternoon, Tammy. Okay, so
Good
my
afternoon.
yes, so my question is, Tammy, uh, what if you can go in the past and talk to yourself? What advice would you give yourself in the past that will help you out now in the future?
Well, I would tell myself to stay in school, take in as much as I can because now in the world it's all about it's either links or education. Yeah. And my second one is forgiveness. Learn to forgive. Look into yourself and try and forgive persons and also pray about it because it helps you the individual to know that the fact you forgive somebody, it takes less pressure off you.
Well, definitely. If I could go back, I would tell my younger self that I need to listen to elderly, especially, and also take in education because education right now is everything that you need. So once you have education, you're all right.
What I tell me younger self say why um, savings financially would have save and the whole heap of party thing that no make no sense. Right? You just a waste your life. When you see if you could have saved for the future, you would have be a better person today.
If you had a time machine and you could go back in the past and talk to your younger self, what wisdom will you share or any advice you would share that could help you right now?
One thing that I would say is like live for you, enjoy every moment like it's a last and take the limits off yourself.
Oh, in other words, don't be fearful and just take more risk.
Fearful, take well some good calculated risks.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the life that you're living because and when I say enjoy I mean like live in the moment, enjoy the simpler things, the things that makes you happy.
Yeah.
Because the reality when you get up in the age after a point that you realize that some of the things that maybe you would have sacrificed back then to do something, it wouldn't have had the same effect now because it's even the memories you'd have those memories from yesteryear and then you try to achieve everything else and you kind of forget about enjoying living in the moment, just spend some time to do some things that make you happy instead of just maybe working and running down the success, but just enjoy the things.
What I would tell myself if I could go back in the past, right? One thing stand out to me, and that would be believe in yourself more, have more confidence in yourself, because growing up and hearing so much negativity and hearing negative comments from a lot of people, even the ones that close to you, and having belief in what they say, literally believe, and because of that I did fear a lot of things, even when people telling me that I'm good at something and I was very good at it, go out, do it, go hard. I never really go full out because I never believe in myself enough that I was able to do it. Yes, I believe in God, but I never believe in myself enough, and so that is what I would tell my younger self. Go out there, go full out on your dreams.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker.